Weather Rate certified most accurate forecast in Central Texas. This is Fox 44 Weather with Chief Meteorologist Mike LaPointe.
Showers and thunderstorms are firing up here across Central Texas at this hour. Matter of fact, we do have some warnings to pass along, and we've been talking about this for the last week or so. Take a look at the latest warnings. These are all out ahead of a dry line, but the counties that are in orange, from Bosque County, Hamilton County, Coryell, down toward Lampasas, Williamson County, all under severe thunderstorm warnings until 6:15 this evening. Our exclusive Viper radar shows you the line right up and down where the dry line is of showers and thunderstorms that are severe, that are tracking off to the north and to the east. As we get you in a little bit closer over toward Hamilton County, starting to push into Bosque County right now. These thunderstorms have had a history of producing some hen-size hail. We're talking egg-size hail with these, along with some very strong winds. That continues down to the south. As we take you a little bit farther down to the south, there's Gatesville right now. Gatesville, if you are in Gatesville, right along 84 right there, you may want to start thinking about heading to your safe area. Get away from those windows because we've had reports of some very strong winds. You can see all the heavy rainfall, the lightning, and again, you could see some hail larger than 1 inch in diameter as that moves across the region. Now, there's a storm track on the line of showers and thunderstorms that are severe, pushing off to the northeast at about 35 miles per hour. So take a look here. Clifton at 5:49, so not very long away from right now. Over toward the Salado area at 6:04, Blum around 6:11. You get the idea. This line of showers and storms means business. We're trying to keep up with our Viper hail size. We were watching some hail that was as large as 1.5 in diameter, but that's all tracking off to the north and to the east as well. So hail, a big concern right now, along with those winds. The tornado watch still in effect, and that runs until 10 o'clock this evening. All areas here in the central part of the state, including Waco, Temple, and Killeen, as well as the Brazos Valley. Here's our futurecast as we go throughout the evening. Showers and thunderstorms again to get a little bit closer. I think this has it a little bit farther off to the east here by 7. It may back it up just a little bit, but you get the idea. The line of showers and storms that are producing some larger hail and some wind will be moving through the Waco, Temple, and Killeen area very soon. You'll notice even by 10 o'clock, I stopped the clock here. There's a cell right on top of McLennan County there in Waco. As we start to hit the overnight period, that dry line kind of still fading off to our east, but showers and thunderstorms down toward the Brazos Valley and some very heavy rainfall. Not to mention, we are looking at that lightning and that, again, strong wind in that region. And by tomorrow morning, it's out of here. Maybe a few scattered rain showers and some lingering storms down toward College Station. But again, most of that will be pushing off to the east. Our main threats with this line, and we've been watching this all afternoon long, high winds, large hail. Still can't rule out tornadoes. The tornadoes have been very active right now to our north. Up around the Bowie area, not too far away from the Metroplex. That's where a lot of spinning has been going on right now. We're monitoring the hail. Flooding, not too big of a concern right now, although it could be a big-time problem tomorrow morning over toward the Brazos Valley with those storms just training on one on top of each other, one after the other. Right now, over toward the Woodway area, our live Centex Seamless Gutter Sky Tracker showing you mostly cloudy skies. The rain's been spitting off and on right now at this time. Sunshine, not a good deal because that'll make the atmosphere just a little bit more unstable. This is down toward Killeen once again. We are talking about some heavier rain beginning to move into that area. That's on the rooftop of One Killeen Center. And we'll take you up toward Mexia, where we are looking at, again, a lot of cloud cover right now. It's pretty quiet for the time being. Again, that's on top of the Civic Center, looking at City Hall for the most part. Rainfall overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning does look impressive. I mean, we'll take anything we can get right now, especially to help out our drought conditions, but it seems like the heaviest may stay just to our south and to our east, right along I-45. But showers and storms this evening. Some of these may be strong to severe, 53 degrees, and then tomorrow, clearing skies, breezy conditions around 64 degrees, the high temperature. And as we look ahead, quiet weather for the rest of the week. Temperatures a little cool Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but we're going to start to warm it back up here just in time for the weekend. And then down toward Bryan and College Station, still holding on to some showers and storms in the morning. Quiet weather then the rest of the week with a nice looking weekend on tap. So that's how it looks so far, guys. I've got Haley back here in the Weather Center as well, monitoring the line of showers and storms, but it looks like it does have an eye on Waco, Temple, and Killeen here over the next half hour or so.